Guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you guys for coming back to be with your girl. But anyway, I'm just sipping on this Aldi's brand wine. It's pretty good, but it wouldn't be my first choice. I was at Aldi's the other day and I was like, let me just try this sweet red wine that they have. So I went ahead and went for it. But like I said, it's okay, but it wouldn't be my first choice. You know, if I'm really wanting a bottle of wine, I wouldn't just go there and get this. But yeah, so I'll be doing a nighttime cleaning video. And I'll be cleaning my room, my son's room, because it's a mess from him playing all day, and my bathroom, and maybe the boys' bathroom, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff done and get my linen washed and replace some new linen on the bed. I'm gonna make myself some crab legs in a little bit, and then I'm gonna start on the bathroom. Well, actually I have to take the crab legs out and let them thaw a little bit, and the shrimp. So I'll take that stuff out the freezer and then I will go ahead and start cleaning up. My crab legs and shrimp are partially thawed. I'm getting ready to season them and pop them back into the fridge for them to continue to thaw. I love them either seasoned with fresh garlic or powdered garlic along with some Old Bay seasoning. I'm getting my white robe and towels along with my other laundry taken to the laundry room. I plan on raising my curtain rod up a bit. I think it would be more appealing that way. My shrimp and crab legs are ready. I have my butter garlic right here for dipping and a little bit of wine left. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna continue doing what I was doing before. Different place, just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the sun who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to. I put my son's chest and other nightstand inside his closet to free up a little space for a few of his toys. He mostly plays downstairs, and we keep his toys in a huge toy chest in his play area. Although I had just vacuumed my son's floor, there was still crumbled up Play-Doh droppings from the side of his bed railing falling to the floor. I really thought I was losing my mind when I saw more on the floor. So here I am, sweeping it up again. And not being satisfied with the broom, I decided to re-vacuum that area.
Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you for the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all it's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Tell the black guys to keep it.
I don't want your persona. I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. 'Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no dreaming, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'll take you straight to Wonderland. 'Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you, on you. You're leaving me out in the rain when I try to reach you. I know it's hard to break through the chains, but I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna reach you. 'Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel like good love working on you.
If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And so that you won't miss any future uploads, hit the notification symbol. And as always, thank you so much for watching.